Hi guys, it's Lucy from She Goes Veg and I'm here with Chef Mike Keane.
Hi.
And today we've got another episode for you of our cooking show, and today we will be looking at Achocha.
Bless you.
Thank you. So this is also known as lady slippers or slipper gourd. It originates in Central and South America and it has been super easy to grow. I've had loads of messages from you guys where I've featured my harvest of this on how you cook it. So I am handing it over to Mike to tell us what we're going to do with it.
Well, thank you. Okay, is this the normal size you pick them? Because I know that obviously start off pretty small.
Yes, so apparently, traditionally, they taste more like cucumber when young and can be used whole on salads. But when they get older like this, so these are more mature ones, they're best cooked and they taste more like a pepper, like a sweet pepper.
Okay.
And are traditionally stuffed, I believe.
That's what we're doing today.
Excellent.
Look at that. So, the anatomy of this little Achocha. When they get big, they get these awesome looking black seeds. Like jigsaw pieces, don't they? They're great.
Fantastic, because this isn't going to cross-pollinate with anything, so it's really, really easy to save seed and grow again next season.
You dry them?
Yeah, you want to dry it out and then, keep them somewhere nice and dry and cool, and then you're ready to go for next season.
Okay, so what we're doing here, just cut them in half. They've got kind of a slightly spongy texture inside. Now we did taste a couple of these raw. They're a little tiny bit tough. Not too bad, but we are going to need to cook them a little bit just to take that toughness out.
So if you want to eat these whole, they are best picked young. And apparently you can also eat the young shoots and leaves, but it's just the fruit that we're dealing with today.
Stuffing for the Achochas, we've got some Sulguni cheese. I might have told you, I've just got back from Georgia. And this is a nice soft cheese, very similar to Edam or Gouda or Emmental, something like those. Any of those will do. Edam would be my go-to one. So we've got that. And we've got some feta, just to give it a nice bit of sharpness. And then we've got some, this is just slightly browned off onions and garlic. Just going to go straight in there. And we've got some cascabel chili, which is fairly mild, but it's got a lovely smoky taste. I'm going to put those in. But that will just give it a nice hint of smokiness. And some lovely oregano. There goes nutmeg. So the Achocha there, nothing done, just halved and emptied out with any seeds, and we can just stuff that in there.
Wow, this is good.
Yeah, so these have been in the oven, quite high oven, 200 degrees for about 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. As soon as they start to go brown on top, they'll go quite molten, so be careful when you take them out. But after about 60 seconds or so, they kind of firm up a little bit. So
They smell
pick it up.
amazing.
Really good. And I thought, just to be chefy.
Yeah,
okay,
chefy.
remember that we did the dried tomato skins and the seeds?
So that's our tomato kind of
Yeah.
last time.
Yeah. In the little camera jar there. And just to be chefy, just a little bit of, just add a little bit of.
Oh, I love it. I bet that's going to taste amazing.
There you go, it's an extra £5.
Very good.
Right, dig in.
It's really, really good.
The cheese is great as well there. It's almost fondue-y.
It's really nice, and the Achocha is like a pepper, like a stuffed pepper, but it does that job. Yummy.
You can taste it, and it's a good taste.
Really happy.
Well done, us.
Yes, we did so good. Right guys, if you want to see the recipe, look below and you'll find the full recipe down there. And make sure you comment and stuff and let us know if there's anything that you want to see us cook. So we're gonna eat these and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.